and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see by the title, it's gonna be about me using Inkbox for the first time and just how the whole procedure will go through. I heard about Inkbox. I kind of saw it online a couple of times, but it was kind of pricey. And then I saw my friend Stanley one day and he had one and sent me his referral code, so I got $10 off. If you guys want a referral code, it'll be in the description box. This is how it came. It says your body is a canvas. I thought it would be an actual box, but I guess it's pretty much like a kit. Open it. This is what it kind of looks like. It comes with a pair of gloves and alcohol wipe, that's 75%, a cloth, and then instructions, and the actual tattoo. So I chose this design. It's very pretty. So the first step is to take the tattoo it says from the tab, slowly peel the white backing off the ink box. The design should be facing you. Something like this. So you have to be really careful because it says like not, it's gonna smudge if anything. And then I'm gonna be putting it on my left wrist, right, kind of like in the middle. And it says to put the gloves on. I should have gloves first. My hands are so tiny. Okay, gloves are on. And then it says to peel the backing off, so I'm going to peel that off. And it says don't touch any blue parts, because then I think it gets all weird. And it takes alcohol wipe. And then it says wipe down the blue area. Now it says take the cloth and then rip half of it or a little bit of it, and then put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. Microwave the cloth, it is warm, so it's to open it and let it cool. And it says to fold it into 4s, so it kind of like covers the whole tattoo. And then what it says to do is to hold onto this cloth, onto the tattoo for 15 minutes. So I'm gonna do that and watch a video at the same time. So I will be back in 15 minutes. Okay, it has been 15 minutes and I'm finally gonna peel it off. So take the cloth off, hold like that. Hopefully it worked. And then I'm just gonna peel the white part very Yep, and it looks like this. You can see it. But it just said that it will develop more in a couple of days. So I guess two days. And then I just have to wash it, wait 5 minutes to let the dry. And then it says that the aftercare instructions will be to wear loose clothing so it doesn't smudge or anything, and to keep your skin well moisturized so the tattoo will last as long as possible. I will show you guys what it looks like in 2 days. It has officially been 2 days and it kind of has like a blue tint. I'm not exactly sure. I thought it would be black, but overall it's like really nice. And I've gotten a lot of like comments saying like, oh, did you get a tattoo? Like, is it real? And I'm like, I guess it's pretty legit if like people think it's real. But overall, I really do like it, and I honestly feel like a rebel. So I would definitely get it again. I just wish it would last longer than 1 to 2 weeks.